Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. I saw Ohima do it and I told her, I was like, I'm gonna do this on my channel because after I watched hers, I was cracking up. I'm one of those people, I take my time on purpose to do my makeup. I take my time to do my makeup. So I have everything basically laid out here in front of me. And typically I start with my brows, but for the sake of this, I'm not going to start with my brows, and I'm going to leave the timer on the screen so you guys can see. I have it here at 5. So, whew, okay. And start. Okay. I'm going to try to not talk as much because I don't got time. The primer I'm using, I'll talk while I'm doing it. I just can't stop. The primer I'm using is from Smashbox and it's the Mindful 5 little serum thing. And next, I'm just going to contour. This is the gist of what I usually do. And my foundation. And then my concealers. Okay, of course my hand is too oily. Oh my god, it's already. That's just what I like to do. I'm trying to cover my bases. So when I have to go do everything, I'm just blending. Oh my gosh. It's fine that all of this is still where it's supposed to be. I feel like the only thing I won't get to do is eyeliner. Because I get clients all the time. They're like, yeah, I do my makeup really fast. 5 to 10 minutes I'm out. And I'm like, well, shit, girl. That's why your makeup look like that. You do your makeup in 5 minutes. Okay, I'm scared. But let's do this. I'm just trying to blend this out. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender after I'm done with all of this. So, if you are freaking out right now, don't. Whew. I am freaking out. And then from blending so much, my goddamn hand hurt. I'm fine with the way this is actually looking. And then oh my god. 5 minutes goes by so fast. You don't even realize it. I have 1 minute and 4 seconds left. Oh my God. "51 seconds." Trying to like blend everything. Oh my God. First of all, who came up with this? Oh my God. This is all I was able to do in 5 minutes. You know what? I guess. All I got to do is put mascara on and really fill in my brows. I can't. This wasn't bad. Like, I didn't get to put my foundation down my neck, so I look crazy there. Like I would never go outside. I would never go outside looking like this. I mean, should I continue? I'm gonna just add a little thing in here to make me look like a respectable human being. Yo, 5 minutes goes by so fast. Like how the people that be like, yeah, I did my makeup in 5 minutes and I'm done. But first of all, I've seen it firsthand, and that's why y'all be. That's why. That's why I have a job. That's why I get hired still, because in 5 minutes, girl, I see people outside with patchy makeup. Y'all see, I tried to give my brows a little something, something. Oh, let me actually. Oh my God, my beauty blender fell. Great. That thing said, girl, I'm not out here fooling with you. Oh, everything is dropping, y'all. But I would say for 5 minutes for me to do my base that fast, I feel like it's not bad. It's not bad at all. And this is the part where like my arm hurts so much from doing it so fast. Let me know in the comments below how long or how little does it take you to actually put your makeup on every day, like your daily routine. How long does it take you? I always map out and give myself an hour because I'm not playing them games. If I have to rush to put on my makeup, I won't do my makeup. Like if I have to go somewhere and rush and do my makeup, I'm not doing it. I mean, I don't like, I feel like makeup is that one time where it's my alone time, it's my therapeutic time, and I don't want to have to rush to put my goddamn makeup on. No, I'm not doing it. So now I already had other things I had to plan. Not plan, I already planned to film something else out. That's the reason why I'm just gonna finish my makeup. And I haven't really watched other people besides Ohima's video. Other people do the 5-minute challenge makeup. Does everybody usually like finish their makeup on camera, or I don't know. But this is the part where, listen, I can blend a section for 5 minutes. Talk less of doing my whole face in 5 minutes. Who got time for that? 5-minute face. Listen. I'm really upset my beauty blender dropped. It's really upsetting. And I don't have another one close to me. They're all packaged away. I have to do my brows. It's driving me crazy.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. Run from you. Or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, it breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Or we can let the guns blow. I must admit I had no worries, doubts or reservations. Since an early age I became one with devastation. Took you hostage and I saved you with no hesitation. They wanna stop it, but what's true don't need no explanation. Falling for you was a bad idea. Guess I've been bad, guess I've been bad. Maybe we can get away from here. Never go back, we'll never go back. Love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns blow. Run from you. Or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, it breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Or we can let the guns. I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime.
So this is the look. I didn't add lashes or liner, but honestly, I'm not going nowhere, and I'm trying to not apply lashes during this whole quarantine for any of my looks that I'm doing because I want my eyes to just breathe. I'm saying that now. I'm probably going to add lashes in my next of the looks. But for a look that I'm not like taking my intense time to do, I just wanted to give it like a little completion because it would bother me if I had 5 minutes to do my makeup, and that's what I came up with. Maybe next I'll do 15 minutes and see how far that gets me. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.